Hello student, how are you today? I hope all of you all is fine, happy and keep healthy. And for today, we would like to talk about the last chapter in this semester. Do you know what is it? Okay, is it about analytical exposition text? Do you know what is analytical exposition text is? But before I want to explain to you what is analytical exposition text is, I want to give short explanation to you why we should learn this chapter. So the first reason why we should learn this chapter is, in this chapter, we will learn about how to deliver our argument. For example, when you must in a debate forum and you must deliver your opinion, your argument about a topic or problem to the audience, it is important and it is helpful when you have learned about analytical exposition text, how to construct the analytical exposition text. And number two, when you want to write an essay, do you know essay is very popular nowadays. When you want to apply your scholarship, when you join an essay competition, you should learn how to construct an essay. And an essay is similar with analytical exposition text because it is contained of our argument about a problem or a topic. And can you give me the conclusion what is analytical exposition text is? So, analytical exposition text is a form of text or essay or argumentative text that has a function to persuade the reader about a case, problem, or topic in the writer perspective or point of view. And for today, we would like to learn about the structure of analytical exposition text, the language feature of analytical exposition text, and how to construct the analytical exposition text. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna talk in analytical exposition text is about the structure of analytical exposition text. As we know, an analytical exposition text or persuasive text is a form of essay or argumentative text designed to persuade the reader or listener that something is the case, good, bad, harmful, beneficial, or etc. So, the analytical exposition text is not always talk about a good thing or a bad thing, but the topic is about the interesting topic or important topic that the writer want to tell to the reader that this is the important topic in the writer perspective or point of view. And the structure of analytical exposition text itself consists of three parts. The first one is thesis, and then argument, and the last is reiteration. Thesis, which indicates the topic and ends with reasoning or proof of the statement. Jadi tesis ini seperti introduction atau pembuka dari suatu teks untuk memberi gambaran tentang topik yang ingin kita angkat atau topik yang ingin kita bahas. Lalu selanjutnya argument, which lists reason, fact, or status, or provides example. Jadi argumen ini tentunya isinya tuh list pendapat atau argumen kita atau opini kita tentang suatu topik tersebut yang didukung oleh reason atau alasan atau fakta, dan juga bisa dilengkapi dengan contoh-contoh yang kita berikan untuk memperkuat argumen yang hendak kita sampaikan. Yang terakhir, reiteration, which restates the thesis statement or draw a conclusion based on the argument. Jadi yang namanya reiteration itu mirip dengan conclusion atau kesimpulan. Dimana setelah kita berhasil menyampaikan seluruh pendapat kita mengambil kesimpulan dari argumen-argumen kita menjadi sebuah kesimpulan. Dan biasanya tentu reiteration itu terletak di akhir paragraf, di paragraf terakhir. Lalu, persuasive writing is often used for advertisement in order to convince customer to buy certain product. A good piece of persuasive writing should always be supported with fact or data that support the writer point of view. Jadi biasanya teks persuasif itu kan adanya di iklan ya, dan biasanya tujuannya itu untuk mempengaruhi pelanggan, mempengaruhi pembeli untuk membeli produk tersebut. Nah, biasanya persuasive writing yang bagus itu selalu disupport dengan fact or data. Harus ada fakta dan data untuk mendukung the writer point of view atau pendapatnya si penulis agar dipercaya oleh pembaca atau customernya. An analytical exposition may also appear in the form of poems, campaign poster, and advertisement. Jadi analytical exposition bisa juga muncul di poem, terus poster kampanye tentu, dan iklan. Terus kita juga bisa belajar analytical exposition ketika kita akan menulis esai atau kita akan menyiapkan teks debate. Walaupun strukturnya tidak sama, tapi cara kita untuk mengembangkan argumen kita dan memberikan kesimpulan itu bisa kita ambil, bisa kita pelajari lewat analytical exposition. Nah, di slide selanjutnya ada contoh dari analytical exposition text dengan judul Why Are Books Important for Us? In this text, there is a thesis argument. There are 3 arguments that support the thesis or the topic, and the last paragraph is the reiteration or conclusion about the topic. And you know that the blue color in the text, first, second, last, it's indicate the number of argument, and there are 3 argument in this topic. And the yellow color, the orange color in this text indicate the topic sentence atau paragraf utama dari paragraf ini. Contohnya, books are crucial in developing the mind and help foster critical thinking. Itu yang namanya topic sentence. And then the topic sentence supported by the supporting sentence atau kalimat pendukung. Nah, di paragraf ini kita dijelaskan juga. For example, after reading a book, even if you don't agree with some of the point in the book, you may have ideas on how to improve them. Nah, setelah kita memberikan pendapat kita memperkuatnya dengan memberikan contohnya. Itu yang ada di paragraf kedua, yang argumen pertama. Terus setelah kita menyampaikan 3 buah pendapat ini, kita juga memberikan kesimpulan dari 3 pendapat ini. Kesimpulannya di paragraf terakhir. Based on the reason above, dari alasan yang sudah ada di atas, it is no wonder that books are said to be our window to the world. Jadi kesimpulannya itu buku adalah jendela dunia. Itu kesimpulan yang diambil oleh writer ketika membuat topik Why are books important for us? Saya terlupa pada paragraf pertama itu yang tesis itu kan sudah bisa langsung menggambarkan kan ya. Jadi the writer itu tidak langsung memberikan opini dia tentang topik yang dia angkat, tapi memberikan semacam introduction yang di sini dia menjelaskan learning without books means nothing. Itu kan berarti dia tuh mencoba meyakinkan pembaca bahwa buku itu sangat berarti ketika kita hendak belajar mengenai sesuatu. Seperti itu. Okay, next we will talk about grammar focus. An analytical exposition texts are often written in the simple present tense. Do you know the formula of simple present tense, right? Subject, verb 1, and then object. And the function of simple present tense is to show the habit or the general fact. In analytical exposition text, we will talk about the general facts. So that's why in analytical exposition text, we use simple present tense. We can look the previous example of why are books important for us. The formula, the grammar that we use is the simple present tense. Mostly use simple present tense, right? And then the text consists of paragraph, and a good paragraph consists of one main idea, often express a topic sentence, and then supporting sentence that correspond to the main idea. A good paragraph should be coherent or follow a logical arrangement. Every idea in the paragraph should be elaborated atau harus dielaborasi, harus dijelaskan, harus dideskripsikan lebih mendalam secara jelas and supported by proof and details, harus disupport oleh bukti secara lebih detail. The proof and supporting details explain the main idea. Analytical exposition text might also use if clause. Nah, for example, if clause yang digunakan itu, if nuclear fuel is not properly stored, it will be extremely hazardous to all living things. And it is the cause and then the effect. Okay, and the next, remember, you can use this expression to introduce your thesis statement. For example, why do I say that? It is informal expression. Let me tell you the reason why. It is also informal expression. Or I say that for several reasons. Saya mengungkapkan ini, saya mengatakan ini untuk beberapa alasan. Itu juga informal expression. You can develop an analytical exposition text by enumeration. For example, first, second, third, fourth. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, and so on. You can just look by yourself, and you can take your note to write this expression. And next, also about the expression, you can also develop an analytical exposition text by listing the reason. Jadi kalian juga bisa mengembangkan teks analytical eksposisi kalian dengan cara melist alasan yang kalian punya. Contohnya, one reason is that, another reason is that, dan itu biasanya dijelaskan tiap kalimat. Bukan, jangan sampai satu kalimat berisi dua argumen ya. Satu kalimat satu argumen gitu. Jadi misal kalian tuh buat 5 paragraf, itu berarti paragraf pertama harus tentang tesis, 3 paragraf selanjutnya itu tentang argumen kalian, dan yang terakhir itu reiteration atau conclusion yang kalian berikan dari teks kalian. In making a reiteration in analytical exposition text, you can restate, atau restate itu seperti mengungkapkan ulang atau sama aja kayak memberikan kesimpulan. Restate the thesis statement or draw a conclusion, ya kan? Working long hours at the computer can cause eye strain. Why do I say that? Ini contohnya, ini topiknya. Terus ini nanti ada first, second, and the last one. So working at computer for a long period can strain your eyes. Itu tuh tadi reiterationnya. Okay, and the last one we wanna talk about how to construct analytical exposition text. You can take your note and just write what you hear. The first thing that you should prepare in making analytical exposition text is search or find your topic. You can try to find your topic in internet, maybe about something that's popular in this era, in this month, the topic that's all people gonna talk, or a topic that's important or interesting to talk. And then if you have if you have found the topic, you should make an introduction about the topic to give the reader a basic understanding about the topic. And then you try to list your argument first. Maybe you have three argument and you must list one by one your argument. And then after you list your argument, you can just develop your argument by proving with example or data that you have found in the internet. And after that, you just create your reiteration or your conclusion about the topic, about a problem, about the main idea that you write, that you have delivered. Okay, student, that's all enough for today. You have learned about what is analytical exposition text is, how the structure, how the language feature, and how to construct the analytical exposition text. And if you have any question about today's material, you can write a comment below or contact me by WhatsApp or using Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your day and see you.